Hello everyone, welcome back to BL Tech channel. How are you today? For me, so okay, thank you. Today I have a short session talking about save a workbook in a previous Excel format. Is it Microsoft Excel 2016 interface? When we launch Excel, then you click open other workbook. It means we browse to existing file which you have created previous time. Okay, click open other workbook. Okay, and in the right pane you click the file you have created from previous session. So I click your file. Okay, it's opening. You remember that we create this file in session 1, I think, for your name, 1, 2, 3, phone number, etc. And then first you need to check for compatibility issue. You can click file, info, then check for issue, then check for compatibility. Normally, if you have any issue, will display in summary description box. So it means this file no compatibility issue was found. Okay, you click OK, and then you go to file again. You click export. And then you can click on change file type. File, for example, 9303, and then you click save. Go to the location of the file, you will find another file name. See this top is selection. Okay, the file name, another file name. So the previous file extension is HLS, mean supported for Microsoft Excel 97/2003 worksheet, and your file is Microsoft Excel 2016 by extension HLSH. Okay, we close. Then I would like to introduce you to other export option. Okay, go back again to a selection. I choose your file from desktop. And click file. Okay, sorry, my mouse is not going smooth. File, export, and create PDF HPS document. In the right pane, you can click create PDF button. Click here. In the left, you can click desktop, and then you browse to your folder selection, see the file, your file.pdf, and then you can click publish as a PDF file. And dialog box appear. Ensure that the save as type list so PDF, click publish to make sure around here the file name .pdf, save as type PDF before you click publish to make sure it's correct, and then you can click publish. It's creating. Wait for a second. Okay, here you get file, your file.pdf file. Okay, can go back. Oh my god, my mouse. Okay, close. Then you can go back to your file. Here you got your file.pdf. Yeah. Today, what did you have learned today? Today we have session talking about save as, previous Excel format, and create PDF HPS document. Thank you for today, and we'll see you soon in next session. Okay, goodbye. Thank you very much.